Hola, ¿qué tal? Yo soy la profesora Zapata. Welcome back to my channel. Los pronombres personales, parte 2. That is what we will be focusing on today. Part 2 of the personal pronouns. Let's get started. In today's lesson, we're going to be focusing on second person of the personal pronouns. The singular tú, usted, and the plural vosotros, vosotras, ustedes. Tú. Tú means you, and this pronoun is used when you're directly talking to a person. Since the intention is you are talking to the person, you want to use this in an informal setting. Use with friends, family, and anyone you are very comfortable with. Usted. Usted means you as well. And this pronoun is also used when directly talking to a person. This form of you is more formal and used to show respect throughout the Hispanic world. You can safely use it for older people, someone with a title, and someone you are not familiar with. It is often abbreviated as UD, and its plural version is ustedes, or the abbreviated version, UDS. Now let's look at vosotros versus ustedes. Vosotros or vosotras, that's what the AS in parentheses mean. They both mean you all. And this pronoun is used when you're directly talking to multiple people. So this is an informal setting, just like tú, but just the plural version. It is also most commonly used in parts of Spain and not so much the rest of the Spanish speaking world. Remember, there is a female version that ends in as. Vosotras. Ustedes. Ustedes means you all. And this pronoun is also used when directly talking to a group of people. This form of you is more formal and is used to show respect throughout the Hispanic world. It is the version of you all that is most commonly used in the Spanish speaking world. It is often abbreviated, as I mentioned before, as UDS. A common mistake I have seen when English speakers are learning the personal pronouns is when they begin to associate the third person pronouns on the singular and the plural side. We see how they all have a double L except he, él. And they think that yo is the actual pronoun for he. That would be incorrect. Remember, he in Spanish is él, just an E with an accent mark and an L. The others do have that double L. So it is él, ella, ellos, ellas. Don't make the mistake. Ello is not a personal pronoun. Interesante. The beauty of learning a new language is that you get to learn interesting things about the language itself and the culture. ¿Sabías? Did you know? In some parts of Colombia, mostly in the region of Boyacá, people, when talking to another, use the word su merced. Su merced. The accent mark goes on the syllable at the end, over the E. This replaces the usted in the conversation, and this word goes back to colonial times when referring to superior people. The original word, or rather phrase, was a vuestra merced. A vuestra merced. And this translates to his or her grace. Ejemplo. Usted es una persona muy inteligente. Su merced es muy inteligente, which means you are a very intelligent person. Usted, su merced. Interesante, ¿verdad? And this concludes our Los Pronombres Personales Parte 2 video. If you have any questions or suggestions, make sure you email me at laprofesorazapata@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Make sure that you share with those who are on the same journey as you, perfecting their Spanish speaking skills, or simply learning Spanish for the first time with me. Gracias y chao, chao.